Maximize your profits. How to negotiate with Alibaba suppliers. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Alibaba, right? Let's say you're buying this jeans, right, or sweatpants. Sorry, and basically get quotas, like get quotes from multiple suppliers to leverage better deals, right? You could chat with or you could find a different item from different supplier and negotiate a better deal. Like, I want to buy yours, but this one is better. So, just go do that. Next, start low, aim fair, right? When you chat with the supplier, offer a lower price than your target, but stay reasonable. Next, order in bulk. Large orders often lead to better discounts, right? Like, you can't buy, excuse me, one sweatpants for $9 and say, yeah, I want it for 5 or I want it for 3, right? You have to buy in bulk and make it logical and make it make sense, basically, to say that I want to buy this item in bulk, but I want an offer, right? That will help the supplier or the seller give you or negotiate a better deal, right? Ask for extras, right? When you chat with the supplier, make sure to request free samples, better packaging, or lower shipping costs, right? And of course, use trade assurance, secure transactions, and build supplier trust while talking with the supplier, obviously, right? And lastly, build relationships. When you chat with the supplier or the seller, excuse me, long-term partnerships lead to better pricing and service. And of course, you can leverage at any time ChatGPT in order to get your to get the best offer possible. Okay, negotiate smart, cut costs, and boost your profits. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.